Hi guys, it's me again, Fly with me FPV, and what I have here is a mini HD camera. The name is Hawkeye Firefly mini HD cam. Anyways, a friend of mine sent me a link to this camera, and I got curious. I got one. I got this one from Banggood. I bought it. Banggood didn't send it to me for review or whatever. But anyways. It says that it can do 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second. So, I got curious because it's only $35. As you all know, the GoPro Session 5 is not available anymore, or GoPro stopped manufacturing that type of camera. So anyways, this is the box, this is the camera. And what I really like is it came with this mount, so it's like 30 degrees, I would assume. So the camera goes in there, and you can zip tie this onto your quad. Came with accessories, all that kind of stuff that I'm not going to use. What else? The side-by-side video that you will see after this blah 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 is this with a Velcro mounted on my Chameleon like this, and you'll notice that I'll switch the audio from the Hawkeye Firefly to the GoPro, so that you will have a good, or you can gauge how good or how bad the quality is of the audio of this one compared to the GoPro. Anyways, there's really nothing much into it. 16 grams with an SD card. It can do, again, 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second. It can do 1280 by 720. Anyway, so what is really annoying about this is when you turn it on, it doesn't go to the highest resolution right away, which is really bad because when you press the button, it auto records, and if you forget to change the mode, you will be basically getting a 1280 720 crappy footage. So anyway, I don't really want to talk much. Yeah, there's a mini HD port there, and yeah, I don't know if it's really mini HD, but anyways, that's where you charge it. There's a port, put it on your USB, it gets charged. Pretty straightforward, simple, cheap. 35 bucks Canadian, but you tell me if the video is something that you can work with. Anyways, let's go to the flight footage.